guys, it's Rad here again from Independent Catering with
Kayra.
And today we're gonna make some cookies. We're gonna make some oat cookies. So Kayra, what we have today?
Some
Baking powder, some bicarb, golden syrup. This one is oats,
and some flour and some sugar.
and then
A bowl.
scales and a bowl. Right, so, and a spoon. First of all, we are gonna start measuring the ingredients. So if you wanna turn the scales on over there. Here we go. So it should be on ounces. And ounces. Right. So first of all, we want
Flour.
8 ounces of flour. So we keep looking there. We want number 8 over there. And 3, 4. Keep counting.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, almost there. Almost there. Oh, here we go. We got 8 ounces of flour.
Woo! You see?
We put in there. Put this one in there. Here we go. And then the same with the sugar.
You put 8 ounces of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
8 of sugar. We add in there.
Well, that's
Oh, a bit more.
and then some 1 of 8 ounces of that.
Oats.
Oh, there. With this later.
Almost there.
Ooh.
Oh. And there we go. 8. Just a tiny bit left, so we might as well add it. Here we go. And then we want 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You don't want a full one, but just there we go. 1 of bicarb.
5 cup.
So the same again. Oh, too much.
So
There we go. Oh, we forgot one ingredient.
what?
Butter. We forgot the butter.
I love butter.
So we want the same of butter. Wait, let Daddy cut.
Why do you cut it in pieces?
Let's see. Oh, that's 3.
2.
How much you got there now? 5. Oh, we want a little bit less. This one. That will do. We got 8 ounces of butter. So to make it easier, Kayra, what we're gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna take out of here, and we're gonna cut a little bit. Okay. If you had soft butter, it's easier. It's easier to mix.
That's my favorite. Hey.
So that you're gonna cut this lightly. So it's easier to mix after. Okay. So what about if Daddy adds the butter and you start mixing? Just mix everything together.
Like this.
Yeah, mix it really nice. Break the butter.
You squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Yeah, that's it. Good girl.
Let's get the PPC and squeeze it. All about the
Keep squeezing. Oh, be careful, don't drop any out. Okay.
Squeeze and break it.
Yeah.
Try to squeeze it. I can see still the flat.
Yeah, we want to mix it really well. Keep. Yeah. There's more butter coming.
Ah! Like there's flying butter in the sky. Flying butter sour.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, keep squeezing it. Look, you do like this. Wait 1 second. Try to break the butter in.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I do it by myself?
That is just trying to help. Okay?
Can I do it now by myself?
Look, break the butter. You want to mix it really well.
Can I break all of the butter like this? You do it.
You're putting them together. You want to break evenly. Look, see, like that.
Can I do it now by myself?
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. That is just help. Okay?
You can get the whole thing.
Okay, be careful. You're gonna get some out.
The adults must help with this.
That's why we're helping. If you have a mixing bowl, sorry, what's it called?
A mixer.
Exactly, well done, Kayra. A mixer, you can always add all your ingredients to the mixer and make it in there. It's a lot easier.
Ooh,
but this is more fun with the kids.
I think it's literally a cookie now.
We're almost there, we're almost there. It's much fun having like this, no, Kayra, where you can break it by hand, right?
Can I do it on myself now?
Okay, make sure you break all the butter. Then you're gonna wash his hands. You breaking it?
Mama. Breaking it. Still breaking it.
Look, watch what you're doing. Make sure it's all in the bowl. Don't want to lose any.
No. Otherwise you won't make a lot eat it. Here will
Go on, keep mixing.
That's cracking my hands.
Go on, keep mixing.
I'm just cracked. That's it.
Let's take this out of here.
And the adults must take all of the ingredients with us. We can't put a lot of flour and sugar or butter.
Keep mixing.
Just go, there's a little bit more.
Yeah, we don't need that.
I'm squeezing it up. I didn't know the eggs that would give you and Mum made some eggs.
Mm-hmm.
And it was
Go on.
stuff. Then also
You want that to help?
no.
No?
Hey,
Keep mixing everywhere. Go at the bottom of the bowl. But on the sides, like this. On the outside to the inside. There we go. And then there you go. Look, the butter is almost all broken.
oh that's present. Oh, this is better.
Mm-hmm.
You're breaking it in half. There's butter all over.
Go on, go on. Okay, let Daddy help a little bit. Let Daddy help a little bit, please. 1 second.
All of the butter. Incorporate all of the butter.
Mm-hmm. You can always add some chocolate chip to it,
I
or
want chocolate chips.
no, we had chocolate chips on the cupcake. So today we're only having a plain oat cookie, which is really nice. I promise you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Would be nice with a cup of coffee in the afternoon or a tea.
Daddy.
Yes.
When I was at school,
Mm-hmm.
my old school, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we always having some when after when we gone home,
Mm-hmm.
and we was eating some cookies.
Yeah. You like cookies?
Okay.
Today we're making oat cookies. Another day we can make vanilla or
Oh,
keep going.
I thought
We can make vanilla or chocolate cookies.
chocolate cookies.
Okay, let me try a little bit now.
Wait, let me just put this one.
Well done. Let Daddy try now a bit.
I want to do it all the way. Wait, just wash your hands.
That's okay, I can wash again. We're always washing our hands, no? Okay,
Oh,
let me.
there's one more.
Okay, let me see now. 1 second. Okay, take your hands off 1 second, please.
Look in my hand.
Mm-hmm.
Smell it.
Yeah, no, what is it? Mm.
You can always do
Okay, wait. So the butter is almost all broken in there. Then we're gonna add our syrup.
syrup. I'm molding some butter up.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Okay, slowly keep it inside the bowl, yeah? Keep it all inside the bowl.
Oh.
Hands are washed now. Then we're gonna add golden syrup now. You ready?
Look at
Okay,
this.
no twist in the bowl because otherwise it's gonna go
Can
everywhere.
I touch it?
No, your hands are dirty.
Oh.
You're gonna mix it,
Yeah. With
Right.
syrup?
okay? Mix it properly. We're gonna make it into a dough now, a cookie dough. So we need to mix it. We're gonna add a little bit more.
Don't put it on me.
Okay, take your hands off a bit. So I can, now, put your hands on the side. There we go. See, it's turning into one big thing now.
I need to my hair. Oh, look at my hands.
Okay,
How about if you roll your hands, then it'll come off. Hey,
keep mixing. We want to get a nice consistent
it's some of my
consistency.
necklace. What are you putting for?
We need to put a bit more. Okay, should daddy finish and then after you can come back and roll it? Okay. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh dear.
Wait, I'm going to use some hands.
Mm-hmm. Better turn the tap on so you can wash your hands. Like that. Give it a good wash.
Good wash. Good wash. La 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 la.
They clean up?
No,
Huh?
we're just using salt.
Mm-hmm. Add a little bit more syrup.
I'm done.
You done? Okay, here's the towel.
Thank you.
Okay.
Smell it.
It smells lovely.
Because I use soap.
Nice and clean. You see? Now it's turning into a cookie dough, Kayra, look.
Hey, no, you. Oh, do you want more syrup?
No, we've got enough syrup now. We don't need the syrup anymore.
Okay,
Close that. Okay.
You can make pancakes with it.
Mm-hmm. You see now? Everything is in together in there. So we got into a cookie dough.
Can I
Just like that.
touch it?
Yeah, now we're gonna make some. Now is the fun part. We got a tray here with parchment paper.
Right.
Let me just roll it 1 more second. Take all of these bits off. So now you're gonna get a little bit like this. We're gonna roll into a bowl. You see? About this size. Yeah? And we're gonna put in the tray here.
I'm good at bows.
Mm-hmm. We're all done. There we go. But we need to leave a gap, Kayra, because otherwise they'll stick together. So we make the bowl, leave around 3 fingers gap between each bowl. Because don't forget, once they cook, they're going to spread around. Yeah, you can make a little bit bigger, Kayra.
I'm making a big one.
done.
Look at this one.
Wow, very good. Very good. Put in there.
Mommy, it's good.
Is it nice?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
It's not all good.
Very good.
I'm making a big one, look.
Whoa, that's too big now. Take a little bit low. Here we go, roll it again. We've got our oven set at
Daddy, look.
160 degrees.
Look. No, 60.
No, 160.
160.
Here we go.
Make sure you make your adults must work.
Mm-hmm.
That's lay it every day.
Well done.
Now do the last one.
Oh, that's too big now. Oh, a little bit bigger. And a little bit bigger on this one.
Oh, why did you take my one off?
Here we go.
Why are you taking my one off?
Maybe we can add another row in there. No, that's too much in there. Okay, make the balls and put in there, okay? Let's get all of this out to there.
Hey.
And then make the balls and leave it on the side, and then we get another tray to cook as well.
You can make 100 of cookies.
You having fun?
Uh-huh.
Good.
And I'm funny.
You are?
Look at this ball.
Whoa, that's a ginormous one. No?
Can you still use it?
Of course.
Trying to make it nice.
There you go. Keep going until we use everything. Yeah? Then you're gonna get another tray.
Okay.
Let's find another tray.
I'm trying to shake it.
Say again, Kayra?
I'm trying to shake it.
Well done. Keep going. Oh, a little bit bigger, that one. Go on. No, I need a bit more in there. Look. More in that one. More in this one. And a bit more. A bit more. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14.
13, 14,
14, 16.
15,
60.
16 with the one you have in your hand, 17, there, 18, 19, 20. So we got approximately 20 cookies. Depends what size you're gonna make them. You can get more or you can get less if you make them bigger.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Well done, 20. So we're gonna put our cookies in the oven now, and then we come back with you guys to show the end result. We'll see you in a bit. Say bye-bye.
Wait, I'm still cooking.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello guys, we are back. Our cookies are ready. It took 27 minutes in the oven at 160 degrees. One other thing that I would like to mention to you guys is you can add whatever you like into your cookies. You can add chocolate chips, raisins, any kind of nut. Make sure you have no allergies though. And there we go. Would you like to try one, Kayra?
Yeah.
There we go. So should we share? Wow, look at this. Nice?
Yes, nice.
Nice and tasty. Will go brilliant with a cup of coffee or a tea if you like. And we can't wait to show you guys a new video, a new recipe, and we'll see you guys soon. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.